Hello friends, welcome to my channel Maths Time with Sagar Raya. In this video I will teach you how to multiply 2-digit number and 3-digit number with very easy tricks. Before starting this video, I would like to thank all the people who already subscribe my channel. Similarly, if you are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you would not miss any of my latest videos. If you like my videos, please like and share with your friends. Now without any delay, let's do some multiplications. So in the screen you can see I have already written 2-digit multiplication and I have written 3 steps. So using these 3 steps we can just multiply this multiplication in a very short period of time. So in the first step we will just multiply this right hand side, so right hand side 2 digit, and in the second step we will just cross multiply. We will just multiply 3 times 2 and 2 times 3, and then we will add it, and if there comes carry, then just we will just forward it to the next step. And in the third step we will just multiply this 3 and 3. So I have just made circles so that it would be easy for you to understand. So these two um, should be multiply means this right hand side digits, so 2 and 2 should be multiply. Okay, now let's multiply this. So 2 times 2 becomes 4, so no carry, so no problem. Let's we did this process. Now let's do another process. So this multiply this crisscross, so 2 3s are 6, write down 6 here, and 3 2s are 6, so 6 plus 6 it becomes 12. So if there comes 12, just write down 2 and carry to the next step. Now in the third step we will just multiply this uh, left hand side digits. So 3 3s are 9, so 9 and 1 becomes 10, so 3 3s are 9 plus 1 becomes 10. So let's do some difficult now let's do little bit difficult question, multiplication of bigger number. Let's take 78 and 46. So let's multiply this. So in the first step we will just multiply 8 and 6, so 8 6 is 48. So if there comes 48, just write down 8 and carry is 4, so just write down 4. So in the second step we will just multiply crisscross, so 6 7 are 42 and 8 4 are 32. So 6 7 are 42, 8 4 are 32. Let's add, it becomes 78. So when there comes 78, just write down 8 and carry is 7. So carry is 7. Now 4 7s are 7 and 4 multiply. Third step, 4 7s are 28. So 28 plus 7 is 35. So your answer is 3588. If you just keep on practicing, you can multiply in a very fast way, like 37 into 24, 4 7s are 28, carry 2, 4 3s are 12, 7 2s are 14, so it becomes 28, sorry, yeah, 28. So carry 2, 3 2s are 6, 7 8. So you can multiply in a very fast. So let's do multiplication of 3-digit number. So I have already written 3-digit number multiplication, and I have just written some steps, so which help us to multiply this in a very short period of time. So I have just used zeros, or you can say dots. So this is the first step. So in the first step we will just multiply this 4 and 1, so 4 and 1 we will multiply, and then in the second step we will just multiply this 3 and 4, and 1 and 2 we will just and then add it, and in the third step we will just multiply 2 and 4. So this and this we will multiply, this and this we will multiply, and this we will multiply, and then we will add. In the fourth step we will just multiply these two, so this 2 2 2 and 3 and 7, and in the final step we will just multiply this. In every step when there comes carry, we will just forward it to the next step. Now let's start from the first step. So in the first step you can write 4 ones are 4. So since here is no carry, so no need to write carry. In the second step we have to multiply this and add. Now 4 3s are 12 and 2 ones are 2. So 4 3s are 12 and 2 ones are 2. So 12 plus 2 becomes, so 4 3s are 12 and 2 ones are 2. So it becomes 14. So write down 4 and carry is 1. Now we just did this process also. Now let's do third step. Now 4 2s are 8, 7 1s are 7 and 2 3s are 6. So 6 7 13, 13 1 14, 14 and 8 is 22. It's 7 15 16 17 18 19 20 22. Okay, now just write down 2 and just forward carry. So carry is 2. So we just did this process also. Now we will just do fourth step. Now in the fourth step we will just multiply 2 times 2 is 4 and 7 3s are 21. Now just add 21 plus 4 25 plus 2 27. So write down 7 and carry is 2. In the final step we will just multiply the this place digits. So 7 2s are 14. So 14 plus 2 becomes 16. So you can use your calculator to see whether it is correct or not. So for today only this much. Thank you. Please subscribe, like and share my videos with your friends. See you soon with more educational videos. Thank you.